Hello viewers, myself Atunus De, Faculty of Commerce in the Northeast Junior College, Karimganj. Northeast Junior College of Karimganj is one of the renowned institution for its higher secondary curriculum under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council for all the three streams, that is for arts, commerce and science. Actually, the college has in its initial year, that is the college has started its functioning in the year 2018, and in the current year 2020 all total 200 and above students from all the three streams have given their higher secondary final examinations. So we are expecting good results in overall all the three streams. So as the as all of you must be aware that the current situations in our country, that is the lockdown in the whole country, in such situations we the team of Northeast Junior College have decided to start online classes for both HS first year and HS second year. And if you follow our YouTube website, then you find that the online classes for higher secondary second year is already started, which is not only viewed and liked by the students of our colleges, but it is also viewed and liked by students of other colleges also, and we are receiving good response from those classes. So actually this is the class for higher secondary first year, and the student, and for those students who are going to take admissions in the higher secondary first year. As we all know that the hard work you have done for your HSLC exams, and you are eagerly waiting for your result, that which may declare in the month of May or June. So in such a situation, actually this is the critical situation for all of you, because it is the time you have to decide, it is the which stream you have to go for. So in such a situation you will find that there are three streams, that is the science, commerce and arts. But actually all of you, or some of you, have aware that the stream about the stream, that is science and arts, but there are very few people who are informed about commerce. So actually as I am the teacher of commerce, so I am going to give you some introduction about commerce. So in simple, the commerce is actually what fully related to business. It is the business, it is the business. Actually, what is business? The business means the buying and selling of goods and services, and exchange of goods and services in terms of money and monetary value. Suppose a person sells goods of rupees 200 to a person, in such a situation it is called business. So in business we have goods, sell goods, and in order to sell that goods to the customer we have to purchase goods. That means in such a situation we can explain that in one situation we purchase goods from another person, and secondly we sell the same goods to another person. Okay, so first we purchase the goods from first person and sell the goods to the another persons, and in between these two the amount what is we collected, it is called profit. So suppose a person purchases goods worth rupees 100 and sell the same goods to another person for rupees 120. So the difference is 20, and this 20 is our profit, because there is no business if it has no profit. So what is business? A business means the buying and selling of goods or exchange of goods and services in terms of money, and the main objective of every business is to earn profit, because if there is no profit there is no motive of doing business. So every business is the main motive of earning profit. So in such a situation we find that the business is continuously purchasing goods and continuously selling its goods, and this recording is called accounting. This record is called accounting. Okay, So accounting means whatever we have purchases, whatever we have sale, whatever we have made paymented, whatever we have incurred. That means incurred means the Bengali in term of Bengali means খরচ করা, and income means আয় করা. So whatever we have earned, whatever we have expenses, whatever we have purchases, whatever we have sale, we have to record it, because if we don't record it properly, we will not find what is the exact amount of profit, and this recording is related to commerce. Okay, so this is a simple idea about commerce. So now you have the question and the confusion in your mind that why we go for commerce stream. So actually in recent times, that is our in our country, like developing country like India, there is a lot of scope for commerce. Okay, so suppose take an example of GST. In such a situation, the who can practice GST and who are the person can do the job of GST. In such a situation, it is the student of commerce who can have knowledge about GST. Okay, so there are so many scope for commerce, because in order to become banking, in order to go for banking, like the ব্যাংকে তোমরা যখন ব্যাংকে যাও তখন অনেকে দেখো ব্যাংকে কাজ করছে. সো ইফ ওয়ান্ট টু ডু জব ইন ব্যাংক, দেন ইউ হ্যাভ টু গো ফর কমার্স. ওকে, লাইক ইনকাম ট্যাক্স ইন্সপেক্টর, ইনকাম ট্যাক্স অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট. সো in order to become that, you also have to choose commerce. So for commerce there are so many scope in near future. So actually in such many students have select either science and commerce, and those who are very good in the mathematics, science, have go for science, and those who are poor in mathematics, they go for arts. And while selecting the commerce, they thought that in commerce if we take commerce, then we will find mathematics like geometry, trigonometry, algebra, etc. But I'm clearly saying you that in commerce there is no mathematics. You can complete your curriculum without practice mathematics, without doing mathematics. So in commerce there is actually no mathematics. The only things that you have idea is plus, minus, and percentage. If you have the very good idea about these three terms, that is plus, minus, and the percentage, then you definitely choose commerce, because in commerce, in accountancy, there is no mathematics and there is no statistics. Okay, in the part of statistics you will find in economics. Okay, so in commerce, particularly in commerce and accountancy, there is no mathematics, there is no trigonometry, there is no geometry. The only thing you have to avoid about it is plus, minus, and percentage. If you do the plus and if subtract, you can subtract, and you have to find percentage. You can find percentage, then you can have very good result in commerce. So in commerce, for HS first year, in commerce you have find the first subject is for HS first year. I am given the introduction for HS first years. So for HS first year, you find the first subject is English. You find English that you have already learned from class 1 to class 10. And the second subject is Bengali, either Bengali or alternative English. So first one is the English that you have already learned in from class 1 to class 10, and the second one is Bengali and alternative English that you will also have learned in from class 10 to class 1 to class 10. Third one is the business studies. Okay, so this subject is completely theoretical. In that subject you will find what the various business terms, like what is business, what are the features of business, what are the merits, what are the advantages of business, what is profession. Okay, so in business profession, there's so many terms like business profession, employment, trade, commerce, international trade, internet trade. So this subject is completely theoretical, and if you have a properly understood in the classes, so you can have a very good mark in that subject. And the next one is the accountancy. In accountancy, whatever we have done in business we will record in accountancy, and there is no geometry, there is no trigonometry, and there is no algebra. The only thing is that the plus, minus, and percentage. If you have idea about these three terms, then you can also have a good mark in that subject. And the next is economics. So economics, and the last one is the commercial mathematics and statistics, and last one is the computer science. So first one is the English that you have learned in your HS, from your first class 1 to class 10. The second one is either Bengali and alternative English. The alternative English is similar to English, so that you have also learned in from class 1 to class 10. Next one is the business studies, that you have find what are the different business terms like sales, purchase, debtor, creator, what is business, what is profession, what is employment, and other so many terms. So this is completely theoretical chapter. It's not so tough, it's easy. And next one is the accountancy. Accountancy means the whatever we have done in business, that is purchase, sales, so we will record in it accountancy. And there is no, I'm clearly saying that there is no geometry, there is no trigonometry, there is no algebra. The only thing is that plus, minus, and percentage. So this first four subject is compulsory subject that you have to learn in your HS first year. Compulsory subject. And the next one is the economics. So in economics you have learned what is market, what is consumer, who are consumers, what is demand, what is supply. And the economics have also two parts. In first parts you have find microeconomics and macroeconomics, and in the second part you have find statistics. The statistics like you have done in class 9 and 10, like mean, what is median, calculation of mean, median, and mode, standard deviation, etc. Okay, so economics. And next one is the commercial mathematics and statistics. The commercial mathematics and statistics is similar to maths. Okay, and the statistics, these are what is standard deviation, what is mean, median, mode, calculation of mean, median, mode, data, frequency of data, intervals, etc. So this first one is the economics, second one is the commercial mathematics and statistics, and last one is the computer science. In these three subjects you have to choose one subject. In this subject you have to choose one subject. If you choose economics, then you don't have to learn the mathematics portion in commercial mathematics and statistics, and if you choose computer, then you have to avoid these two subjects. Okay, so for HS first year, these are the subjects combination that you are going to have in your HS first year commerce. The first one is English, you are very much aware about the subject. Second, Bengali, you also have aware about the subject. And the third one is the business studies. As actually is a very easy subject for the higher secondary first year, because it is completely theoretical and it's not so tough. Okay, last one is the accountancy, that you find plus, that is that you have to do sum, that is that a person purchase goods for 5,000 and sell for 6,000, then what is the profit? 6,000 minus 5,000, it is 1,000. So these are the type of sum you have find in accountancy. second minus, and the last one is the percentage. That means if a person purchases goods for 100 and earn 5% profit, then what is the amount of profit? So 5% of 100 is rupees 5. So this is accountancy. And the next three subjects you have to choose one. In economics, it is also theoretical. And the next one is the commercial mathematics and statistics. It is for those who are strong in mathematics, and if you don't like mathematics, then you can choose either economics and computer science or computer science. And if you don't want to choose either economics and commercial mathematics, then you can choose computer science. These are the subjects combination in your commerce HS first year. So I am really saying that those students who are really confused about what is commerce, that you are not going to take admission in the commerce, so I am really saying that you should follow the various YouTube videos for commerce, and you really have a good idea about what is commerce. And actually in commerce there is no mathematics, there is no trigonometry, there is no geometry. I am really saying that there is only term is the plus, minus, and percentage. So as it is the first class, as it is the introduction of commerce for higher secondary first year, I am not going to bore you more. So in the next class we are going to discuss in detail the first chapter of accountancy, and the first chapter of accountancy in here are and you will find in our YouTube classes. And for other subject you also should follow our YouTube site that you have find. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.